Now, speaking of new ways of working, Ashley, would you mind dialing in Vivek so that we can review that meeting room occupancy issue we were talking about?
Absolutely.
Cool.
So Ashley's going to be calling Vivek using HoloBeam, a prototype of a 3D holographic meeting experience built by Valora, a Microsoft partner. The cameras behind us here are so that everyone in the meeting room can see the same 3D experience that Ashley and Vivek will see.
Hey, Vivek.
Hey, Ashley.
I was hoping that you had a chance to take a look at that smart buildings pilot. Matt was picking up on some weird occupancy data from the Power BI dashboard.
Yeah, about that. Let's take a look at the building. As you can see, I have overlaid various sensor data onto the building. You would notice something very interesting when I run the time lapse of the day. Pay close attention to the end of the building. It goes dark in the afternoon.
That's those rooms that were showing up unoccupied in Power BI, but why only in the afternoon?
Yeah, Matt. So I looked at the service request data from those rooms. All the service request information tells me that the rooms are freezing cold. But the sensor data tells me that the room temperature is normal. You know, given the time of the day, I'm willing to take a bet that the sunlight is falling directly on these sensors and heating them up. So I'll dig deeper.
Great. Yeah, let me know when you confirm that. Thank you. HoloBeam is a great example of how holograms and mixed reality together can bring more meaningful insights into a 3D interaction.
That's great. I'll take the action to share this out with our leadership team.